Monday, December 21st, 2020, 10:20 a.m. local time, a Florida man and his girlfriend bailed out of a taxiing aircraft at New York's LaGuardia Airport. The 31-year-old Antonio Murdock claimed that he had serious anxiety issues and a panic attack and had no choice but to jump out of the moving airplane. They were flying from LaGuardia New York Airport to Atlanta, Georgia, on a Delta Airlines scheduled flight number 462 when they deployed the emergency inflatable slide and jumped onto the runway. In a true act of kindness, the pair did not leave behind their Great Dane puppy. Port Authority police quickly apprehended the pair and charged them with trespass on the tarmac and reckless endangerment. He was arraigned before a judge and where he was released without bail. He will also be required to pay $173,000 for damages to the aircraft. Apparently, that is the cost of reinstalling the emergency slide. A judge ruled that the man posed no threat to the public and deserved to wait for trial at home. Asked by a CBS affiliate in New York why he did it, he said, "I ain't hurt nobody and committed no crime." He said the airplane reminded him of the time he spent in prison, which raises the question, how bad is Delta Airlines cabin? Seriously? Prison? So how easy is it to really open the emergency exit? According to this A321 training video online, it's not hard at all, and if you
To open the door, uncover the control handle. Lift the handle fully up and release. The door opens outwards. Remain still for a few seconds and then opens slowly. The escape slide in the meantime inflates and deploys completely.
Such incidents have been reported in the past years. Here's the rest of the audio communication between the pilot and ground controller at LaGuardia Airport.
Ground Delta 462.
462?
Hey, do you have a frequency or we can talk to the emergency services?
You have an emergency? You need help with something?
We're at 12 Alpha and we had a passenger exit the airplane using the slide, so we're surrounded by all emergency equipment. I just didn't know if you had a frequency where we could talk to them.
Yeah, 121.85. I'll tell them. I'll see if I can get them to come over to you.
Okay, thanks.
Truck 1, you still on ground frequency? Do you copy?
Truck 1 copies last. I'm going to 121.85.
Thank you.
Hey, Truck 1, this is Captain Doge, aircraft 3057. Can you tell me what you think the plan is now? I couldn't see what the passenger did when he left, so what exactly is going on?
It looks like the individual is being arrested at this time, and then whatever needs to be done with your aircraft with the slide out is going to be up to you and your company.